how do you see the UK market? Because we're obviously in a period of great volatility with the Eurozone crisis, and how do you see that panning out?
Well, in terms of UK property, I think we hold a pretty positive view. I think that's not to say we're ignoring what's going on elsewhere in Europe, and clearly we're concerned about the impact that will have on occupational side within UK markets. But the yield on real estate that one can derive relative to bond yields, there's a historically high margin there. So if you can focus in on assets with good quality income stream, so good tenants in the right locations, we see that will deliver very healthy returns over the medium term. So quite a narrow window for better quality assets. In terms of the type of asset, those that we focused in on have been, in the recent past, very much prime, southeast in terms of offices, and city and West End particularly in that context. And looking a little bit further down the track, we're already formed the view that good quality, the larger shopping centres and open A1 retail parks will deliver very good returns over the medium term.
And you're a big international investor. Which sort of markets are you looking at mainly for investing at the moment?
Within Europe, I think, as one might expect against the current backdrop, we favour logistics in Germany, Poland really across the spectrum of different types, Scandinavia, and we've favoured in the recent past Paris, and we still think there are opportunities in the Paris office market. So they're the markets that we would pick out within Europe. Elsewhere in North America, looking at the Canadian market where we have representation, we like the resource-based markets in the west of Canada, so Calgary and Edmonton, and we like the East Coast markets in the US, so New York particularly has seen some very good returns over the recent past. Washington really coming off a bit with some of the cuts that are going through at the moment. South America, Sao Paulo offices, we've acquired assets there. We like those assets. We've bought poor quality assets, repositioned them, and then looking to sell out. And likewise, I suppose, following the theme in terms of Canada, we bought in Australia, but in the resource-focused market of Perth, which we like.